Hey, okay lang one question, survey. How was your tour earlier?
Very great.
Which part is your favorite?
All of my, all of the destinations.
Lahat. Okay. Ma'am, saan mo nakuha yan? Yung ganda mo.
I got it from my mom.
Parents.
Wait lang. Ayun.
Kaya yan, ma'am. Let's go! Video. Yan. Wait lang. Sandali. Ma'am, saan mo nakuha yan, ma'am? Yung ganda mo. Ay, alam mo na pala eh. Ilang beses marami na nagsabi sa iyo son.
Ako yan. Sure.
Ma'am, okay na. Ready. Ma'am, wait lang, saan mo nakuha yan? Yung ganda mo.
Ay, sorry. Wala, sa parents ko.
Wow.
Okay, game.
Damn. Victoria lang natin. Karina! One, two, three. Wow, you're so beautiful, ma'am. 1, 2, 3. Nice one. Ay, Bisaya na si ma'am. Nadan lost 3. Pero mas gwapa siya. Fit?
Pataas.
14 something.
14 meters.
Fit. Ang meters mga more than 4. Careful, ingat. Ayan, let's go! Wow, you're so beautiful. Thank you. Perfect. 1, 2, 3.